Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well guys, well. For you see the color? The red, the green and the gold. So you know what that means. Where I'm at? I am at Ibo Spice. Ibo Spice to get my chocolate and busy tea. I haven't received that one since I've been back, so that one is what I needed, guys. So you know Ibo Spice is located at 131 Orange Street, Upper Orange Street, and it's not down Orange Street. So we're here to get the Ibo Spice, you know. Come through. You know, literally get that poison out your body, get that toxin out your body with the chocolate and busy tea, you know what I mean? So blessed love, guys, blessed love, and please always remember, keep your mindful to always put the thumbs up. I know most of my subscribers, them, you know, is watching from them TV, but if you can also, if you don't know how to like it from your TV, you can also like it from your mobile phone, I know, and then you can continue to be watching. So if you don't know how to do it, and you got your family, your relative inside the house, you know, how to do it from TV, you can ask them and they can show you. Just always remember to like the video, remember to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, if you're part of that 60% that's watching and haven't subscribed, you can go ahead and subscribe. I can wait, you can pause the video, and you can also do so, you know. And we thank you so much for your effort, for trying and for doing so. And if you already like it, thank you. God bless you. Blessed love. So yes, guys. So Ibo Spice 131. That's right. Aye. Sorry for me. Allah. Cho. Lie. Oh my days, no chocolate and biscuits. So the order will take another little take a little time. Yeah.
This is your chance to own a piece of the creator. Started this could be easy.
What can I drink here? Only.
Like this, don't stay with them long. Your investment can help build a platform.
Only Herbalade. Okay. Alright, give me a smoothie then and
yeah, play a smoothie then.
This is.
Yes, I like smoothie then.
And give me a serving and the plantain and the yeah, plantain and the breadfruit.
Yes.
Alright, big thanks. Ibo gave me this. Alright guys, guess what? There's no chocolate and busy ready. You know, it's no chocolate and busy ready yet. So you know, Ibo say I'm about a late start, you know, so that's how it goes. So I'm gonna grab a smoothie instead. You know, I'll grab a smoothie instead. So hopefully I can come back later on to get some of that chocolate and busy tea. But I will just work with the smoothie and some breadfruit and plantain and the sweet sap. The sweet sap, how long? When was the last time you have some sweet sap? Yeah. So guys, yes, but you can see from the title, you've been asking, you've been waiting, you've been anticipating, and yes, today we're going to finally see Cranberry and family. You know, but you know, before we see Cranberry and family, I have to literally fuel up the tank so I can literally head on the road. You know, it's too bad I haven't get my chocolate and busy tea. You know, it's been a while, but hopefully I can come back in the evening, you know, and get my charge and do it. But I will get some food now, so Ibo said nothing already start.
Nah. Get there though, without fear.
Without fear, get in there. Eyes straight, man. The nurse them. Yes, sir. I want to tell you, so them plan to come get some burger before they eat the flight, but the driver will come pick them up. See that? The driver come pick them up, reach late. So it kind of all up the time.
Okay.
Yeah, because without them want to bring up some. Yeah. Now they was craving for the breadfruit burger to bring up, you know, but the vehicle come late. Late. Yeah, I know it's that. Yeah. Yeah, man. So. Yeah, but it's not ready for now. The next hour. Oh. You have to go circle back, star. That me no want to see neither. So sir, me now buy one of them thermos then. To make it fully tough for me. You know a thermos? No, come here, go up on the hill. Yeah, forward. So we can get a cup right now. As it is. So we can get a cup right now as it is then. Yeah.
Once you cut the iron, then we can do it.
Oh.
You can't give before you cut the iron.
Oh boy.
The iron where you sit on top.
Yeah.
That's what the manufacturer does.
Oh.
Spice, not spice.
Yeah, man, spice it, guys. So yeah, man, you see the time.
Chuck make them on the sign them on the.
Look at the time.
You know, grandma sees them.
Yeah.
You know, upside down.
Triple two. Because yeah, man, I can't show upside down, so I'm turning to them. I want to show them the time. See there? That's my time, triple two. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Triple two, angel number. If you know, you know. You know? I've seen this sign so many times. Angel numbers, you know? I've seen them all the time. So, I will see the faith and remain humble.
What's the scratching?
Oh?
Artist. From the last day.
Oh.
When you know you, when you watch you,
Yeah.
when you watch you, like you know the eye of that.
Yeah.
If they are doing show, try to do a tour. Yeah, April.
Okay.
Now until Wednesday.
Okay.
When I say nine, leading to eye.
Oh.
Kind of sick.
Okay.
See me?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
watching your channel, the man said, yes sir, spiritual himself will come.
Yeah, on the right.
Sooner than that.
Yeah.
Man said, yeah,
Yeah.
leading to eye.
Sure.
Where go artist?
Go on. So, how you sell the weed?
Eh?
Big up yourself, Patchy, Scratchy.
Yeah, I did.
Patchy, Scratchy, right? So big up yourself, Patchy, Scratchy.
Yeah, and then right there, I'm scratching.
Yeah.
They say, I'm big up on it.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Patchy, Scratchy for passing to Ibo Spice. You know, you cannot go wrong. Yeah, it's the right place to come. True. And you're at the right place. You can't go wrong. From the street center here, that's where you're meant to be, you know? Yeah. Alright here. Alright. Oh. And as him step off the plane, right here. Yeah. And big up yourself, Patchy Scratchy, you know? Yeah. Funky pumpkin seed parch. This one is good for your prostate. You know, good for the prostate. Parch pumpkin seed. Alright guys, so I got the smoothie here. And I got the ripe plantain and breadfruit. And this is me for now. This is my starter. But I would definitely come back for some visit here if I come back from Cranberry. So yeah, bless them love. So I'm gonna head out now. Eyes, respect. Oh, it's orange?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah man, give thanks. This is what Joanne likes so much, our mommy Charmaine. Breadfruit and the ripe plantain. The sun kicking. Jackson, blinging. Yeah. So that's a lion on him chest. Roar. Yeah. You never say that though. See you now, look. Yeah. You know, so if I'm seeing, I say you do a Jackson, this lion roar.
Yeah, sleek. You can see the sleek. Look at it. You can see that this is that.
Yeah. When the lion roar.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So there you are. We're back in Trenchtown now, so we're going to head up towards river. It's been a while, we haven't been up them sides, you know, to see Cranberry and family. So first we have a little package here from the Sunrise team, you know, Rasta Jackson, you see what I mean, from the Sunrise team.
Oh my God, Rastafari blessing every time and keeping on guiding going out and coming in. More than loving you. You're excellent family, we're loving it every time. Thanks to one team, dream team, Kino life. They were loving you.
Hey, you are boom. Yo, that's from the Sunrise.
Right, blessed and one loving and thanks in the Sunrise. Blessed, one love.
30 grand.
Yeah, man, 130 grand, man. Big up all of the Sunrise family, man. You see me and say, yeah, man, and the Q1 is family.
Yeah,
man, all in one. Yeah, man, it's a big respect and a big love. I appreciate everything. Yeah, man, love.
Yes, guys. So yeah, man. So that is it. So guys, so the container will be here. You know, so I have to go and organize it as well too. So we have to go and get that sorted out as well too, so we can head down towards the countryside, helping out where the elders also need it. So the journey is only going to get started now. Trust me, it's a long road ahead. So let's stay on the journey over here to Miami River. So guys, you know what I'm going. Let's go.
The dawn. That's a ill over there, so.
I like process.
Everything got
And we not get it. Definitely. Say.
All the hill washed down as
All
well.
the hill, you see the whole light gone. What's the whole of this are gone?
We never get it.
I tell you, you say you don't want to see the state of Trenchtown.
You can see them big phone in the same.
Well,
The whole of this are gone. The whole of this are
no, guys, the place look away. Look like the place looks spacious.
Smaller. You come in here and the whole of this are gone. I say some good thing that I will wear when I have the mountain and see what you do and the bicycle crying out and the way to cry, can't be crying. Please the one all this is gone.
I want to see the rest of the one thing over this, but I want something missing now.
Because in front you have to find the house up there so. So they say never used to see nothing up there at time, you see?
No way.
The whole of this up, gone.
Well, this is gone.
Yeah, all them places are gone too. That's what the rum do. Watch all you saw. This drop down. Yeah, look at you to get close. Watch out. Look over here so. And let's see what I go on. Yeah, it's a clear up now.
You couldn't see the land over there.
You couldn't see the land there. Right. Up here really get a little toll. A good thing inside, good thing in this now. Look here. All over here so you can see as well too. Never no walk here. Never walk here. Yo. Indian. Doing good. Why the place looks so like the storm going out could be? Your roof gone too?
Yeah, so I chop on it meanwhile.
Yeah. Up a river, yeah?
Yeah, to them go up there from the storm, come and go up there. To them go to the swim and come like a sign.
Yeah.
They have a hole when you have a class, look.
Yeah.
If you step down, if you go where each class,
Yeah.
deep hole, just look when you walk over.
Yeah, wait, wash out it, wash out.
A big piece of it. Look where you see for
Yeah. Yeah, look man.
It doesn't come from the storm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the place. Look up there.
That we realize. So how about your roof is? Everything come off?
Eh?
Your roof?
Yeah, that's just all over the front.
Oh, the front. Yeah.
If I come down in the sun, I don't go over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look and see. Oh, brown man. Watch out through yourself. Watch walk away. Hey, you know happiness when the storm, a whole heap of water come down, you know. And wash away a whole heap, you know. Watch this there. You can see right through up there, so. And walk all the way around, so. You see?
Yeah.
Who this is nothing. I'll go and beep. All my beep, build up, the shot build up. Build up back like you get a hit. She get a hit too. She shall build back now. Yeah, can set the blow off too.
The back space.
Yeah, I don't want to open up. That's why I'm saying, oh, good thing they never get the full blow and down so. Because why? Watch out the light post as well. Watch out the light post. The light post here. Watch out the tree. Hey, a whole heap of leaf gone off of the tree there, minute. You can see right through everything, you know.
I watch the house up there. You never can see the house up there.
The house up the door. Oh, the big tree has a drop. Hey, never drop on the house. Big old tree. Look at it, you can see straight over there now. Oh no. And all the light, look at the light wire them now. Look here. The whole light wire them. Yeah, guys, the way the place look out. Oh yeah. Just look out. Oh yeah.
Drop them over my boy.
Yeah, tell me I say that's time, yeah? Yeah.
Why is it again?
No, yeah. Burn them. That's time I burn up the place.
Why do I tell them?
My woman like she, you know.
I'm back in the place, so.
See them trim down meat like somebody is sitting and cook.
Alright, mommy. But you want to hear?
All the bamboo tree I get it too.
Yeah, everything gone for you.
Thing gone.
Thank you for saving my apple tree though.
Well guys, well, as you can see. Alright, there's such a bamboo tree that's gone. I can see up here get slightly, you know, a little wind. Nothing much, but you can see a little damage. So you can tell that imagine if the real force to pass through. You know? If the real force to really pass through, it would look so good up here at all.
Right to your foot.
You know, I like how we're all concerned about Cranberry and family. I know that house would stand on the edge of that hill. It wouldn't at all. Wouldn't. Oh, I say!
Yo!
I say, what go on? You say your girl Melissa passed through.
I'm going to tell you, say she can look for me, but me just escape by her nose.
Yeah. Just,
Yeah.
this is my general.
God, through me love woman.
Yeah.
Think say she could have get me, but she wrong.
She wrong.
She gonna look for Matapang.
Everything good though.
Yeah, man, one up, man.
They go check in for the family and so.
And you know, say them just come out here, so.
Mm.
Yeah, they carry there, so them friend.
Okay.
It's like the river taking water. You hear it?
Yeah. Look where I go on then.
Alright, love and good.
Alright then, cool the boys.
What is it?
Yeah, cool not it.
How do I carry this down?
The taxi.
No, on black. Yeah.
Oh.
They want me the one.
Ah, that tree out there I said. I said that black. Yeah. You know, I don't understand how that time I pass through and leave everything brown. You know, you just leave everything brown. That's the weirdest thing about it.
Right now, we're there, so
Yeah. Guys, and I can see it was raining as well to just now. Oh, but one place there. First sign. Oh, the river come down. Yeah. Okay, Esther can't jump the rock. Boomer shop. Alright, watch out. Even the river come down. Hey, watch out, boom. That's the kitchen. Kitchen roof gone. Kitchen roof gone. Oh. Watch water hole.
The rain, can't you say that?
Yeah.
That's a bit drop off.
Man, just step on the edge there. Right through the water. Yeah? Oh, sure.
No, are you sure? That's what you do.
Alright, so now the river come down. But look now, remember this, sir? The build up right there, sir? Yeah. Look at the whole lot full up with dirt. The whole of that full up with dirt. Look how wood is. Yeah. Of course. Mama River look how weird. Not alive. The place look how weird. Look there. Look how loud we're there. Look there. The water is so clear up. The place like a beat, man. All of this, you couldn't see the place like this so open. You see it, bro? All these trees. You couldn't see these things so open. Guys, you can see so the river come here get wide. Cause the river come right down and lick up all of this. You know? Couldn't at all. Yes, they can't jump right there, so 30 grand jump. I'm more for the battery down just in case. Alright, so Esther, we're going to stay back. You know, the whole of this place does look open up now, right now. So, guys, the whole of the river come this side, wash away everything from this side. That's how big the river came down. Because we couldn't walk this wide, no time at all. But as you can see now, the whole place, literally, look out back there. You can see all the way back there. You never used to. Could have see all the way back, you know. Never used to could have seen nothing, but all of this clear up. Yeah. Everything gone. All them trees, see? And now it was raining. Them there too. It's a cranberry them here as well. All of this. Wow. Evening. Nana? It's dropping already, Nana. High five. High five. Tokyo. Dara that. White nose. Dara that. Hey, what's up? How's everything? Everything good?
Even Kino.
You know, Mr. You know?
Oh, I miss you, yeah.
I don't miss you. I don't miss Toko. High five Toko. High five. I miss Nana. I miss Liquor Miss. I miss Tara. I don't miss nobody else. I don't miss a little man there. Oh. I don't miss nobody else. Do I miss you? Do I miss you? No. You miss them Jackson? Jackson never missed them at all. Oh no. You feel you got your bump up. Nana alone down. Nana and Toko.
Kino.
I'm bringing sweetie for Uno.
Mother, the teacher said, so the class, excellent so I'm for us. Excellent so I'm the class.
That's me?
Yeah. No. For being every Saturday.
Which they must ask Nana?
Not
Me?
you.
Oh.
No, me tell my mother say me go ask and she say me for ask the family. Oh my God, I miss you so much.
Yeah. Look, come on.
You know some work, I get a little roast. I will say we are come over. I end up to wipe out a roast.
Oh.
Yeah. But them come from Saturday class. Look man and look miss. End up follow them.
Okay. Saturday class. How about that? Guys, something fall off the tree almost dropping in a 30 grand head. But the place look different. The place look
It's chop out.
wash away and everything.
You know, say us did end up blow off.
The house that blow up?
Yeah, and judge
Oh, my room.
In a Cranberry, them woman bed you wake up.
Look at
You know, say like a day before the storm, you call me and say the day when the storm gonna come, we have to end up go down push for them day. But a good thing we did go down car the whole of the bed them wake up.
Yeah. Oh, so you're going
Down a Bina.
down Bina. Come mind tell me say I'm off down there so I have to go. I don't could stay up here so. Yes, and roof blew off.
Them Cranberry them roof blow off. So we end up switch over the roof them and make the taller roof them there the kitchen. So it look more taller.
Oh. So when I'm up there?
No, you know, so I'm gone. Just took a while gone.
I'm gone.
Yeah.
Where I'm gone?
On the road.
Gone.
You know, so them you cut it foot again.
Them cut it out.
They cut it but on the bottom part.
Yeah.
Heel up. But over the top part, them they cut it back again.
Them cut it out.
I cut it again from the last time them cut it.
Yeah.
And cut it again.
So they make about 3 times. Them cut it.
When I come, mommy.
So I don't cut the man again every time. That's true. You got infected?
Yeah. Infected. But him did a clean it. So he must have got the cleaning to clean it himself.
Oh. So basically them said the roof they blew off, but they wasn't at home. They were staying by some relatives like literally down the road. So at least them wasn't here because the roof blew off and the bed them wet up and everything. So we'll go check and see how bad it is as well. You know. A good thing you never up here on the roof. We never expect to stay up here still. Yeah. Because the house is right on the edge. You don't want the house.
You know, say me I tell you say even on the back part or a big hole you come down and me I tell you say just time end up dump it up and fix it back. So if you look up there now you're not even see the hole itself.
So go up there and look at it. We're gonna jump over. We are all on Pam Farmers.
Me makes your daddy.
Miss me.
You get new father.
You get new father? So that you're not supposed to miss me then?
White father.
Oh man, you gotta get new father.
Ah, Nana. I don't say this. I don't say father, but I'm the man. Yeah, we get them more than. Mommy, I can't go. So when I hear someone of the free and after, and me after that, the teacher, so I miss the class, you know.
Go on, cross. Esther Raina, come. Go on, cross. Jack's right there, sir. And that almost drop and boom.
Yeah, you got a bigness, so still
yeah. Looking at hands every night. The rain is coming down now. Them say them all stop the blow off, you know. Yeah. Like that though. Storm man, the river come down. Actually the river came down. Yeah. That's why guys, we give thanks. The storm never really come fully this side, but trust me, it wouldn't be nice. Even though, so this would be them hills where the house is, you know. So at least them could leverage same way, you know. Eh? The storm though.
That was a man-made storm.
Not even 1 thunder. And leave all the trees them brown. So,
That's why I eat that, you know.
yeah.
What I'm early that I'm taking for you, that kind of man.
Run up there.
What I'm taking for you, that. That's what I do the thing about.
It was a idea, but then I was trying to plug them.
Yeah.
It was somewhere you see one bag of dead fish.
Yeah.
Like, say, and throw them to us up in the water.
Kill them off. Yeah.
And then make it.
Okay, we have Callaloo.
Now, Callaloo.
Capture.
So, guys, so you see this is that big. So, look here. Look how you start wash away. You see? Oh, let's start to wash away as well. Too. That broke away. And then pop chow.
Them that who one and see George two them are in plan.
Oh, so I charge it, chop out all up here too.
Yeah.
So you can farm. Good.
I'm actually planning to put the patrol them in the yard. Because I want to put them down there so where them can eat.
Okay, see George one there.
Then sow them. Sow them for plant.
Yeah.
Pop chow, that's a lot still.
Okay. I'm wiping up in pot. A pop show.
Or 2 more bags to plant out.
And down you say.
Mommy, a pop show and pop show and
The hill never wash down.
then mix.
No. Well, at least yes, I never wash down much. Never at all. Well, at least the house is still standing, right? Huh?
We do all the jackfruit trees.
Where jackfruit tree there? You get brown. Look at them Akeynote leaf there, look at them brown. Acid in that. That's some acid. Have to be acid in another rain or blow through.
You know, say the 1 and 3 leave them burn off. Because next year, everybody will talk about that.
The leaf them burn off though. Yeah.
I make man-made standard. Because normal time the ear will look a thunder.
Yeah, just like how you hear the thunder. So you hear the thunder, you know. Just like you never hear the thunder. We don't see the lightning in that stand.
A fence them blow down as well.
Yeah. Now I end up putting it down before the storm. Because I never want when the breeze.
Yeah.
We never want them flying all over. That's weird.
So how should I think blow off? Or
Inside, but one of them, some of them end up get wet up.
the mattress?
Yeah. Say pull off back them, yeah.
Oh wow.
I tell you, say, you never need to put it so, because never look good so. So you have to go put it flat here, so when you make it over work, it stay exactly like all the rooftops stay. But the whole of them are wet up when you come up here.
We don't have light?
Yeah, we get light back. But 1 month time, we get back light.
So this have to go fix back properly.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Because the whole of them are wet, we have to pull them off and the amount of leaf the inner it.
Jeez, I'm trying to call and I realize I'm not up on no signal or nothing at all.
My phone, it just connect down so. Not up here. Tara, stop. No titty. No titty. You want water? You want some juice?
Tara always want that when time she see with Tara. What tablet? I'll take back the tablet.
Leave it titty.
So,
You want juice?
Tara always want to come in. Tara never want it yet when time she see me.
I tell you about you.
Never yet at all.
Sorry.
We bring some sweets for you. Don't, if a girl titty, me not give her no sweetie.
Yeah, man. Don't sweet it for Tara, cause she don't
Come, Cranberry, come, look at me, it's sweetie for you, come. We not give Tara any sweetie because she want.
Come here, my friend. You forget sweetie, you my friend.
No, because Tara want titty, we not give her no sweetie.
Tara, come in and me a give sweetie, you know.
That's how I clean up.
She loves scrub her face and go on.
No sweetie.
Oh, God.
You know what
Come now.
I'm
Come
like you can't hide. You know that again? Like you can't
Yeah,
hide.
man, you have to hide for your man. You're more too much, so you have to hide.
So Esther, she turn back.
She can't jump that.
I told you turn back, she don't want to.
Guys, so we're back here, so it's a long time I don't see the familiar faces, the Cranberry faces, and the Toko face. Toko, you are grow, let me see your face, Toko. Hey.
Look.
Toko, you are grow.
Yeah, man, you are grow.
Oh, you are grow.
No
Nana.
wonder you're not grow.
And Nana.
My
Look is there. Cranberry, the old soul. Look man, the chill one. Tara, the best specialist. And Chargy is not here, guys. You know, Chargy is gone on the road. You know, gone hunting bird, but it's too bad for know that the doctor them cut him foot again for a third time. You know, because basically them say foot been, you know, infected, so it's been cut again for the third time. You know, which is. I don't know, you know. I don't know.
And the end of me now we're getting on.
But boy, I tell you, so we'll give thanks.
Everybody there, so you have to come and please.
So here, you know, charge, you forget this, you know, they get from Yaya. Yeah, from them time, but then we speak to Yaya, and then we speak to Chargy, so we can know where we take and what.
Him don't take the antibiotics for them give him. And just say them have to clean it. So if them even get the product, they have to clean it with the product. So because the product is more than even the doctor product what them are use themselves.
Okay, so I'm gonna speak to Yaya first, you know, and then we can tell him what I want if I do it right here. So your phone back working?
Just say working properly. For the signal up here bad.
Straight, not even for straight call? Nothing?
Nothing for watch video.
Nothing for watch anything though? Nothing. So guys, so basically the signal is really bad up here as well too. Using me, so you couldn't get no phone call can make, no talk can make. So I'm gonna keep the same, you know? So you gotta find a way when you can call me. You know, if I call Yaya, explain to him go on again, then you can tell me what to do.
I could tell Yaya thanks. Yaya, thank you so much, and may God bless you, and make your food basket never empty. Thank you.
Yaya, thank you so much, and may God bless you, and you have a wonderful day.
Go on, Shyberry.
Yaya, thank you so much, and may God bless you, and you have a wonderful day.
If Toko run, Toko come. Tell Yaya, thank you for your daddy.
Yaya, and may God bless you, have a wonderful day.
Alright, so we'll give thanks to Yaya. So I'm say we'll speak to Charlie first. So, but first, for the swimmers then, the swimming family. We got the swimming family. We got some swim cap here from Ava. You know, from the Kiwanis, Ava from Miramar, also a part of the Sunrise team. You know, she brought some swim caps for the girls then. So when them swim, they can put them on so them ear don't get wet up. Right, so we got various colors. Right, so we got some various colors here, so don't have to go choose which color them I like. So let me see which color that fit who.
Tara, which color you want?
Let me see this.
Pink,
This? Tara?
No. Pink.
You? This have a unicorn. Yeah, it's too pink. Right?
Me want pink Kino.
Me want pink.
No, you have to pick a blue.
Okay.
Yes, a blue.
Me want
Tara, what color you want?
Blue.
Which one you want, Tara?
Alright, so who want?
Cranberry blue one.
Blue.
And guitar the red.
Tara, you want this one? The fire? Fire. And the fire. 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 And here, Cranberry. So you're gonna thank Ava.
Eva, thank you so much and may God bless you. You have a wonderful day.
Go on and baby.
Thank you.
Toko.
Thank you, Eva. I'm now make a full basket never empty.
Alright. Thank Ava, Tara.
Thank you, Eva. The full basket never runs dry.
Alright. Cranberry, thank Ava.
Thank you, Eva. Make a full basket never empty.
Okay.
Eva and the girls, them thank you so much for the swim cap and may God bless you. And make your food basket never empty.
Alright. So we have 2 bags here. This bag and this bag. So one bag is for Cranberry from Auntie Elaine. You know, your bag where you can put your hustling stuff them in or your juggling stuff them from Aunt Elaine. Yeah. So you can thank Aunt Elaine. Thank Aunt Elaine.
Auntie Elaine.
Auntie Elaine.
Auntie Elaine, thank you so much. Make your food basket never empty. And
Auntie
God bless you.
And the next one is for Nana.
Thank you.
Nana.
What's your name again?
Aunt Elaine.
Auntie Elaine, may God bless you. You have a wonderful day.
And we got one bunch of jingle bells, jingle all the way. We got one whole heap of sweets, chocolates. Basically, it's all chocolates. So you're gonna share with Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. Okay? So I'm gonna share it even equals. Okay? So this is from also from Aunt Elaine.
Thank you, Auntie Elaine, for may God bless you. You have a wonderful day.
So Liquor Man thank Aunt Elaine. And Liquor Miss.
Aunt Elaine, thank you so much. It was a lady where you go over.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for taking care of Kino because I've been watching. Thank you so much and may God bless you. And make your food basket never empty.
Alright, yeah, because Auntie take well good care of me, you know. I tell you, Auntie spoiled me. I was spoiled by Aunt Elaine, trust me. So trust me, guys, you know, watch the tooth. Too much sweets. You see me? So you don't eat them off please in one day. Alright? So Kenisha, I guess you have to be sharing, right? Well, you want to touch off it, Tara? You want to hold it? Alright, Tara, take a hold off it.
No.
Take a hold. No, also, just hold it.
No,
Take a hold. I said the bag will tear already. I said, can give everybody a hold now, Tara. Give Toko a hold. Yeah. It's Toko a hold. It's heavy, Toko. It's heavy. It's heavy. So which one?
Maybe Prince.
No, mommy. Keep Prince on. No. I don't trust you. Come on. Leave him alone.
Which one them want to eat first? Look up. Come here, somebody Kenisha. Come here. Hola.
Pick which color?
Tara. Which one you want to eat first? This one? Because I'm going to eat one first and then the mother will share the rest. Right?
Thank you.
Which one you want first?
Which
one? Which one? Kit Kat? That's Kit Kat. Chocolate.
It's small.
Yeah. Which one you want first, Toko? Chocolate. Which one you want first, Cranberry?
Oh, thank God, church.
Smarties.
Thank you.
Cheers. Come on, which one you want first? But I have a taste up on the mouth first. This?
This is my pick like me.
The same thing?
Yes.
Look at Miss. Kit Kat.
Yeah, none of the same thing.
So the mother now will share the rest, right? And it's a lot. You know, please don't eat them off in one day. You know? You can try to save some. Alright, nice? Nice. Nice. That's cheers. You like cheers though? You like it? Huh? Yeah. Nice. Nice. Yeah. So you have choice. Nice. So it's so good to be back. So I'm glad to never get washed off. You know, them all start blow off.
You used to get stuck in the snow.
Yeah, in the snow.
And we are watching.
Hey, Nana. If somebody want adapt me, you know. Want adapt you want to fry, Nana?
Yeah.
Somebody come look for them and go back. Yeah?
Kenny, so you gonna let her go?
Would I let her go?
Let her go?
Yeah.
Charge you, let her go?
Yeah. Would have talked to him.
Yeah.
Like, should I get a better chance?
Somebody said they want to adapt your Nana. You don't want to go Canada? Yeah? You're going to your sister, them, everybody. You're going to eat them, though. You're going to eat them, right?
But one to my passport.
Don't worry, man, I get your passport. So the viewer, you see here Nana say yes, she want to come, and the mother say yes, she will release her, but we have to talk to the father, you know, and see. And say them don't want. See how to adapt Nana. So anybody who want to adapt, you see them up for adaptation?
Yeah.
Who want to go for it?
You actually don't want to get it. Yeah.
I say she not left her mother.
Talk on the one go. Talk on the stay.
Yeah, man, talk on the one stay.
Tell the truth.
Yeah, man, you see, I say she not go in. Say she not left her mother.
So Nana says she's willing to go.
She unpredictable, you know, she unpredictable.
Tara, you want to go? Jesha, you go Jesha? Jesha, you want to go?
Kima, but I'm afraid I plane.
Afraid I plane?
I'm not afraid of the plane.
Yes, because
And of course, me I go to have to worry.
Hey, me the first year I got the first year I go. You don't prefer that plane. You want to take plane?
No, me never say free yet, but say me I go first year I go.
They're driving our bus, I saw it feel.
Yeah, if you hear me about Kino, you gotta love me.
So Nana says she's ready. So guys, if you're interested, the lady should know herself because she did mention it. Said she want to adopt Nana.
And Nana come up on a summer holiday.
Yeah, you can go on holiday and come back. I can go over there and go school.
And job.
It's cool, you know.
sweater.
Yeah.
No, I'm not wearing a sweater.
A sweater, woolly jacket. Yeah. It's really cool. You know, like when I go in the freezer where the ice is.
Yeah, sleep in there where you go get shit too.
That's how cold it is.
Them are eating on them house.
Yeah. In the
You want
car.
to Kino too. You know what Kino left here? When Kino, when we are drag Kino, drag you, drag 30 grand, drag you, drag Esther.
You're trying a swim cap, Nana, trying a swim cap and see if you feel.
I mean, I'm going to comment about
Try on the swim cap.
Rockstar Jack too.
When you jump on the bag.
And boom.
Try.
See them more, left my classmate, they must
Oh, I left your classmate in school.
That big.
No, I said if it's still.
I said to stay.
If it's small.
This smart, alright.
Yes. Yeah. Alright. Let me see. See, I say it must tight. So it cover the ear.
And the exact fit for
Tara. The Nana one fit Tara. Let me see it. Come here, Tara. Let me see it.
Talk the big swimmer, man.
Yes, I say you must swim in it. Yeah.
No one see my ear. I too much me see my ear for.
Look how it's there.
She's surprised, no man. Yeah, got you much love each and
Say it must stay. Each chance. So when I not swim now, when I ear do, so don't pull up too
No, my ear still to
December.
Look at my one
Eye. Look up our eye. Alright. No, you look up our eye.
It's wet.
You know it.
Okay.
No, how far one that one there? I want that Tara one.
This can't be tired.
It can. Oh, I would have a job. Let me see. Yes, Toko. Look in the camera. Look, see it? Look. You see it? Nice. Big swimmer. They've got put in the ear as well too.
Max, see me here too.
So now swim, put it
To the
on.
4th December.
So the ear now go wet up, so that means the ear don't have to pull up, okay? Come here, Tara, I see her. So why Tara eye lock up like that?
So she put it down, come see it. Oh, you go see so.
Tara, you can't see like that. Bring it up a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit like this.
Yes, Tara, look like this. Yes, Tara. Look, Tara, look at yourself. Look, see there? Look, let me show you. See?
Australian girl,
The swim champion, though. Come, Cranberry, come look. Ah, Cranberry. Well, I think you have to cover the ears too.
Yeah. See them cover the ears.
Yeah, ears cover. Yeah.
See there? Like,
Alright. Look like a real maroon. Like a real maroon. No, guys. Look like a real maroon. No. Look. Maroon berry. Cranberry look like the real maroon. No joke. Swim. So whenever I'm not going to water.
that one day I tell my to buy that. She said she never have no money to buy it.
So you know you got that. So please, whenever I'm going to water, I'm gonna put it on.
And when you not swim, put it up back.
Yeah. Take good care of it.
When my father see it, I put them in a food. Kino want to go back to hotel.
Yeah, we want to go back to
So, pull up for it.
Yeah.
But
you have indoor pool still. You want to go back to hotel?
Yeah, Joshua them said that we want to go.
Little man and little miss. They want to go on that trip there.
Yeah,
You want to go too?
we don't know why. Look at my never
We
go.
want to go for December.
No,
this.
we want look at this.
December.
We want look at this. Them go to the hotel first and stay 5 days.
Yeah.
No, 10.
Cause we are going to bring over food, Kino.
But listen, the hotel we went to is closed down because the hurricane kind of messed it up. You know that? The hotel want to go in.
So them now
Kenisha.
different hotels.
The hotel want to go in, they get damaged too, you know. Yeah, some part of it, so it kind of closed.
Right now, she didn't know school because our whole house is tear down. Because Westmoreland, she did.
Yeah.
Another one them you want.
So the place kind of closed down. You know, so Melissa kind of do a lot of damage. A lot. Well, we give thanks to Auntie Lane, you know, we thank you so much, and also Ava for the swim cap for the girls them. So we beg them please to always swim in them cap, so them ear not pull out. You know, so at least, you know, waterproof now. You know, you like your cap? You like your cap?
Yes,
Coco?
Kino.
Yeah, eat the bag. So why you eat the bag? I have to keep a cap in there now. Well, shall we damage it already?
Hey, Kino?
Huh?
Do you ask if we can ask if we saw it?
What then? Talk to me now.
But now, yeah.
What do you mean now? Should I hear me?
Kino.
Oh, them have must say class.
No.
And Nana, she and Nana forgot at the class every Saturday, but them have to pay $1,000 for the class itself.
Excellent.
Because them not do it free.
I will never do it.
And them say we have to pay.
$1,000 each?
Yes, me have Saturday class. Excellent, so she not have it.
$1,000 each. Not a pay lunch.
Every week we have to bring it. So she said me get the 5,000 pay.
So 2,000.
2,000 be 200.
Yeah.
Alright then.
So my man, I used to tell you the song there, them.
Tell us something them.
The rural.
Tell what?
The rural.
The viewers. Tell the viewers. Tell the viewers. Better I go in there for this Saturday coming, okay?
Yes.
Alright. So that's every week. So you got make sure. Come here, Nana. So it's $1,000 each every week.
Yes, Saturday we go and look at man here, say him now no money to pay for it.
So this is $2,000 for them, 1,000 each.
Thank you.
Okie dokie. So make sure you go and start the class.
I will pick it up. No, mommy, I have this by my head.
See, I got a river. Go to the river.
Can't go river, because river water
No,
dirty.
river dry, so we are going to go.
Tomorrow.
I fly, we're going to fly in the river.
Me have some of that tomorrow.
The river they really come down when the storm they come?
Yeah,
Well,
could even cross
actually, come up here, we don't even know no Kino.
We have to walk from round the top road and come back straight road.
Down.
And they could cross it for about 2 to 3 weeks. They could cross it. And the water
2 to 3 weeks?
Yeah.
That's how much it come down?
See, every mother.
Don't let you spend part on look that fall.
Just say,
And so long the river they come down and stay for 2 to 3 weeks them couldn't cross it. Yeah. You hear that guys for literally 2 to 3 weeks they couldn't come up
here. We have to go
here.
around the main road, go catch water.
Yeah.
Because they couldn't catch water in the river.
That means a lot of water come from up so man.
The water line is part reach up the water line, man.
For 2 to 3 weeks them couldn't cross it. Nobody can cross it. That's who alone who understand it.
And then the next day, after 2 weeks to the 3 weeks, then it get down, you want get you could be
Get lower.
or then it slide.
Never know so long till I stay for 2 to 3 weeks. That is long. Very, very long guys. Yeah. 2 to 3 weeks. Couldn't every water coming down. You see a boomer shop or the kitchen fly off, the house fly
Yeah,
off.
but you did not end up fix it.
You know, fix it. Want to beat
The whole of the tear down.
tear down too.
We don't buy that, so the zip them on.
A fly off.
And the rain and got a
But
tar.
I still end up fix it back.
Everybody say the same thing, so them hear that's time, yeah. It's like
Like a
a
sing.
cat. Like a sing, like a cat. Something them saying understand it. Something understand it.
Like it's a thing.
You know, them hear no thunder, nothing at all, not even lightning. No lightning, as pure when the storm
twin
comes.
cousin him knock out. Say man say I can't take it anymore and knock
Knock
out.
out.
I talk off put him go sleep.
And the way it just make every tree just brown. Like a acid.
Right now, all of the Austin tear down Westmoreland did serve.
Yeah.
All the tree them, me just say all the mountain them tear away. I just brown I can't see and I see no greenery.
Because I head down them side there still, you know, because they're going to give some support down there, bring some care package and stuff for them as well too. Alright then, so. Oh boy. Alright then, so I'm going to run leave you now. And then come check on you back soon and very soon. Okay, Nana? Alright. Cranberry. Your mouth full, you can't talk. You run that teeth out, we enough of teeth out. How are you doing? Calm. Alright, now go leave it now.
When you come back, good.
Say, my girl. Big nose.
I can't see.
So let's take 1 hour. Later. Later. Kenisha, later. Alright, Tara, no more breaths.
Yeah, man, no more titty.
Alright, now get no more sweetie.
Why not go and come back?
No more sweetie. Kenisha, later.
Alright, later. We have come back out the road car. We have actually wait for somebody to come back.
Oh.
End up leave.
Come in now.
Okay, Steve, want to see him, Kino?
I see him. Alright. From Chris called police for charge him. I don't want to see him again. The only person I want to see is the dog. Take time, man, and job. So literally just get back to some light.
Yeah. And the light post them all out there, so the whole of the light post them cleared down. That's why this morning Daddy did down here try fixing garden. Because the whole of this are the bush up. You couldn't walk through this now. So enough for that.
What? Oh, it blow down.
But all if a bush they grow up there. So you just chop them and burn them. Stop. You see I walk up the sea to them.
You can't left it. Left it and come back, come see nothing. Nothing. Calabash. I shall chew this one though. All of this so clear up.
Look at the water walking up in the field.
All the big tree there. Drop down.
The big tree over there for now.
Drop down. But them not cut it down, but them for cut it down, okay, you know what I'm saying that? I can't jump at anybody.
Oh.
So they have to go cut it down.
Done. I bust it, you know.
And this one of them guys stand up and you see it, they go wash it. That's what I'm saying, go over the river. You know what, go straight up the one of the big stone, them come like sideways.
Yeah.
So what you can pull it up on the river itself to go straight out. But we don't go around there, as in. After the rain comes out, man, I think it's up to them sideways.
Oh.
But that's not going to tell like you was the old stone.
I'm going to tell you.
That was a man-made stone. The first time I ever hear without thunder. That's one click of a thunder.
No thunder, nothing at all.
And then when the end of the storm to end, it's like the water lick you like a shot.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you so we did it until it finished. And the way how it finished, you know how if that draw off, you know it just stop immediately.
Yeah, just like that.
And also, you are go back home. I don't know go back.
Tara. Tara.
But what you can say, no say you lost everything. But the only thing you can have is hope. And we're still alive, because only for people lost their life and lose their life and we're still here. So they can pick up by the pieces.
Yeah,
pick up by a little.
Pick up by a little. Pick up by a little. Stand up, Tara, stand up.
She miss you.
You miss me? Miss me though? Can't tell.
But what if you come here them to Kino and then them see you know somebody at Kino.
Oh.
Them Mr. Kino, Kino, oh no, they come up, I say them see me come. When they least expect it, them family is big.
Yes, they see me come. When they least expect it. Alright, Tara, I know Tara really did miss me. I normally go and say no. Right, Tara. I like big stone. Where it come from? Never did it, so.
Wash come there.
The wash come there.
Yeah. And only by big
Hey, boom. That big stone there.
I just one the other one.
It never did there, now. I wash come there. Look how big it is. No, sir. That's a big stone, you know. If the river can move that.
I mean, I said the rain in the normal drop that.
Eh? Yeah, guys, a big stone there. Wash it, the river, wash it, come all the way down here, so. The force of the water bring it all the way. Come down here, so. And it come park up right there, so like a car. How big it is. 30 grand. Go and stand up next to it. So tall it is. Eh? Look how big that is. Catch this so, and it's 2 on the catch van. I don't move. You can't see a pier roll it roll. Okay. Yeah, look at this. This stone washed from. No, so. Yeah. Hey, Ken. Where that come from? All right, boom, boom. Remember, say water, you know. Hey. The famous stone. So boom, I take a. So guys, so boom is taking a picture of the famous stone. Cause the river wash the stone come all the way down here. So guys, look at that. It's the famous stone. Them never up here. Them never up here. No, up here.
Yeah. And one over there so you sit up and see it again.
Gone.
Gone. Just a real level look over there now and look it up.
Gone. Yeah. Gone. You see that right there, sir?
Stop there, sir.
Especially right in here, sir. That's some stone, them gone. Most of the stone them you see here gone as well too. You have a big one with a right over there, so Kenisha, remember the big stone with the right there, sir? All that gone too. Yeah? Yeah. Yo, so you have a big one right there, sir?
And the one where they ride on a more.
Yeah. Gone.
What to eat there, so?
The big one.
Hello, the door jumping up.
Hey, don't play with water pressure, you know. Yeah. Yeah.
The stone are really black.
Yeah. Don't play with the water, you know. The pressure water, trust me. Hey, so you notice how right that's a look? Hey, notice how yes a look? You don't realize something missing from here?
Big stone, you don't ever jump on.
Remember the big stone right there, sir?
The people, the activities, the water.
All the big stone right there, sir. God. Yeah.
See the ice on
Which one?
the one that we are, the one, yeah, it's
This one is an amigo though.
No man, I want over there.
Which one?
Okay.
one we can walk on.
This right there, sir? Or this right there, sir, topic one? Yeah. You see, it that the paint on it. This one. So this one there? It got stuck right in after that one here, so.
Yeah.
That one here, so.
See, that's the stopper.
Stuck right in between there, so. Stuck there, so.
Like big part there, so.
Yeah, the middle there, so. Yeah, see the stone here. Say wash from here, so. And got stuck in the middle right there.
Over there, some slippers gone, man. Right there, so, you know. The stone never them stand and they the slippers will go.
No. Because you never used to have that water so easy. You have to jump. One thing, water pressure, you don't play with it. When water comes, it take away everything. Everything. Mama River. You know.
Funny the tsunami. When a tsunami come and some big tall buildings.
That take us up. I remember tsunami.
The water can't come there.
The water, man.
Crack up. Crack up like it.
Alright, you ever go Castleton Garden yet? And see them big stone that Castleton Garden? Or if you let them reach right here, so. You think I grow them grow? I wash come there.
Yeah. Get light like a car.
Yeah. Don't play the water force. Them always still there, you know. All if there's no way for water go through, water make way. I could have been through the rock. Water make way through the rock.
No, but really, you know, so stone next year. Never did I black up the man. I stone never did I black up the man out. You know, really, that's never did I see the man out.
Yeah.
The man I build him out.
You see, you can't see what this is. You used to walk around the store.
No one else bring back that you want to take everything from my other hurt me. It's a fire with this, but you maintain it.
No man, him to the long as. Well guys, as we give thanks, you know, matters never too worse at all. Boys, you know anything go, big up yourself.
Yeah, love and good, yeah.
Yeah man, every time. You know, we give thanks, matters never really too worse. You know. It's all good. White nose foot broke.
The broken foot.
I'm going with problems, man.
I'm too bad, man.
That's fair.
Man, beat up everybody and eat all the food.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12.
Ding, 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 ding.
Let's start your car. Your journey going on.
Esther can't cross it.
Couldn't cross it.
Esther couldn't cross it. Alright, later. Come here, Granny. You look like Granny, so come here. You look like Granny, so Granny.
Come here, I could never go to church here.
A church I go now?
Jesus. No, come here, go to church.
Come here, you look like a granny.
Good.
Make sure Jalang see you here. Later, Granny. Granny Berry. Later. Granny Berry, come here. You know your name Cranberry, your name Granny Berry. Moss. Miss Cranberry. I beg you pray for me, okay?
Yes,
That means the lace no dry, the shoes no dry neither day.
the shoes dry from what here?
Alright, Granny. See you later.
Classmate though.
See you later.
High
five.
You're too big.
High five. I start mark up my car. They go wash it, you know. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, guys. So best of love, man. Best of love. So we give thanks. So we got to head in. Oh, boy.
Boom, see that?
The way the storm washed down the big rock there. Well, Esther, you want to see the big stone? You never look.
Big splash pan.
All around there. When the water wash all the way come down. Park it up on the side. All the big son Toko used to jump off from and that wash was gone.
It's in the gun.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see it gone, and me just so gone. As big one the man used to put sense and put and make the pool right there so see it move from there so move.
The water gone a little bit, you know, so you can see which part of the little pool there's a flat, nah lie. Boomer, big up yourself, Boomer. I know you must feel it right now.
Yeah,
Boomer feel it right now, Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.